Hello friends! Mercedes, together with its widely unpopular CEO Ola Källenius, is preparing a big gift for its fans, and this gift comes with 8 cylinders. Intrigued? Then sit back, it's going to be interesting. This is the Mercedes CLE, an intermediate coupe that replaced both the C-Class and E-Class Coupe. Not the best decision in Mercedes history, but the model is popular and sells well. There's just one problem. This coupe doesn't have a proper CLE63 version with a true V8, at least not yet. But judging by these spy shots and information leaking from inside the company, that gap will soon be filled. Before you stands the Mercedes AMG CLE63 Mythos. For those who don't remember, Mythos is a new family of models from the company. So no, this won't be affordable. Visually, the top-spec CLE strongly contrasts with the regular version, and that makes sense because Mercedes needs to justify the price. To achieve this, the 63 variant gets a full aerodynamic package, a unique front bumper with a wide lower air intake, a massive front splitter, huge rear wing, and aggressive side skirts. The perfect car for an ego-driven driver who wants to be the center of attention. You might say there's already a CLE 53, and the difference won't be that big. But that's not true. Our main character carries the key signature of all 63 AMG models, square exhaust tips through which the roar of a real 4-liter twin-turbo V8 escapes, complete with a flat plane crankshaft. Yes, friends, that's exactly the engine going under the hood of this coupe, and it's a huge relief for Mercedes fans after the downsized C63 AMG. We're talking about the new Mercedes AMG M177 EVO. In reality, it's a heavily modified version of the existing unit, but Mercedes engineers have clearly done serious work on it. In this car, it's expected to produce around 650 horsepower. That's the figure currently circulating online. That's nearly 200 horsepower more than the CLE 53. The good news? No complicated hybrid systems aside from a mild 48-volt starter generator. That's thanks to the extremely limited production. According to available information, Mercedes plans to produce just 30 units. That's almost unheard of for a production car. This is true collector territory. And that's probably exactly the point. The Mythos badge clearly signals that this will be one of the most exclusive German coupes of the decade. Performance figures haven't been announced, of course, but given its size and expected weight, it should get very close to the 3-second mark for 0 to 100 km/h. Now, you're probably wondering, why not build a proper Mercedes AMG C63 with a V8 like this? The answer is simple. The top management at Mercedes decided to experiment, and those experiments cost them the segment to competitors like the BMW M3. You might think it's still possible to fix things with a facelift and bring back a V8 C63. Technically, yes, but it would require a complete redesign of the current C-Class platform, moving the front pillars, extending the engine bay, and making major structural changes. Mercedes has already made it clear they won't go that far. Instead, they're discontinuing the C63 in this generation and replacing it with a C53 powered by a 3-liter inline-6. So no, you won't be able to buy a V8 C63 this time around. So at least be thankful that this project got the green light. And here's the best part, there will also be a regular Mercedes AMG CLE 63 without the Mythos badge, featuring the same engine but with less power. And that, finally, is some genuinely good news. So now, we wait.